We are learning about water. So let us take what the next topic is, that is about water, and we will talk about the uses of water, that what do we use water for, why do we need water, what is the need of water. As we discussed that we need water from morning to evening, from evening to night we need water, but what do we use water for, what are the different uses of water. So dear students, we have different uses of water, which include firstly the domestic use, that is we need water for drinking, cooking food, for washing clothes and utensils, for flushing in toilets, and for watering the plants, and for cleaning the floors also, and in gardenings also. So we use water for these domestic uses. And for public purposes like cleaning streets and like swimming pools, for public fountains, ornamental ponds, and fire protect, as we use water in the fire brigade, we use water for extinguishing fire and in public park also. For all these public purposes also we use water, and we need water for all these things. Water is also a good medium for transportation of people and goods from one place to other by means of water, by boats and ship. So water is also acting as a medium of transportation, as a mean of transport. We also can say that water is an important medium of transport also. Next come the industrial purpose, that is for processing and cooling in different industries, for making clothes, and in different industries, basically in almost all the countries, all the industries, sorry, we can use water. We need water in all industries almost. So water is an important thing for processing and cooling purpose in different industries, and it is of great industrial importance, we can say. It is used in radiators of vehicles. While we use different vehicles, cars, buses, trucks, so water is used in the radiators of all these vehicles to keep their engines cool. For the same, the cooling process, for the cooling of the engines, we need water in different vehicle. Next is the important, one of the most important use, that is agriculture purpose. Water is essential for it is essential requirement, we can say, for the growth and development of plants, which helps in the growth of crops, and by which we are able to get food. And irrigation is an important part in the agriculture process, by which we are able to grow the crops and we are getting food in our plates with the help of these. Next is power production from hydropower and steam water, because water is used for generating electricity in hydroelectric power plants. As we discussed about electricity, how we get electricity, so one of the most important source of production of electricity was hydroelectric power plants. So water is used for generating electricity in those hydroelectric power plants, and it is a renewable source, and it is giving us electricity is being produced with the help of it. So it becomes more important for us to use water wisely, because it is an important thing for power production. And next is for carrying of waste through dam drainage system. So water is also important for carrying of waste. And next, one important thing is that water provides a medium for recreational sports such as swimming, boating, and water skiing, and so many different recreational activities are possible only with the help of water.